Hi everyone! I'm getting ready to make whipped yams for dinner. Say what? You heard right, whipped yams. They are so delicious, they're healthy, and they're filling, especially when you load them up with a ton of toppings like we do. Let's get started. Just take a couple of yams or even sweet potatoes, peel those, and then chop them up. Grab your steamer and put water in the base, and then load your potatoes into the top compartment. Put it on the stove, turn it on, and let it steam until tender. If you fill your compartment to the top like we do, you're gonna wanna take a fork and mix the potatoes up a bit so that the ones on top end up on the bottom and they can all get tender at the same time. And if you don't have a steamer, feel free to use just a pot and boil the sweet potatoes. That would work too. Once they're tender, go ahead and put it in a bowl and top with what? Cinnamon! Of course, cinnamon. I love it so much. You'll also want to add in some nut milk. I'm using almond milk tonight. And then some yogurt. I'm using vanilla flavored soy. Now for the fun part. Grab your immersion blender and whip them up. Make sure though that you start your immersion blender on low versus high to avoid a mess. I've done it several times. And if you don't have an immersion blender, just grab a fork and mash it up. Once you get it to your desired consistency, dish it out into bowls and then get ready for the topping party. Tonight I'm adding in frozen blueberries, diced strawberries, peanut butter, and this is a powdered peanut butter that I add water to, raisins, hemp seeds, roasted almonds, pumpkin seeds, pistachios, shredded coconut. That's it. How easy was that? Incredibly easy, ridiculously easy. So quick to pull together, and you can mix and match your toppings based on what you have available or what you're feeling like that evening. Or you could even make this more of a savory dish by replacing the yogurt with an unsweetened version and then mixing up the spices, like maybe adding in curry or a hot sauce and topping with roasted chickpeas or steamed veggies. Get creative, make it your own, and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.